great pleasure, on behalf of my colleagues on the Board of Chosen Freeholders and myself, I brought today with me a check in the amount of $6 million.
This will be the start of an expansion of the Arts District, providing arts and cultural activities, an art gallery, programming for kids, off-Broadway plays, traveling concerts, comedians, and other acts. In the coming months, this building will be retrofitted. The buildings around it will come down to make way for a new 1,600-seat Performing Arts Center concert hall right here in Central New Jersey, right here in Carteret. And it can't happen without the support of all of the residents and the support of some of our dignitaries and elected officials.
And this is a great vision that the mayor has, and it's really going to be a beautiful project. And I'm really very happy to celebrate this day, a new era for the incoming Ritz Theater, one of Carteret's gems.